Lights out for sea turtles.
Man, oh man, I've never camped out on the beach. This is sweet. Beach camping is the best.
Yeah, the best. I'm having so much fun already, baby.
Huh? A little help, please.
You guys okay?
Yes, I'm fine, Daisy. Just a bit sandy. Oh, smell that spectacularly salty sea air. Uh-oh. That was close.
Are you sure you want to camp so close to the water, Nature Cat?
Yes, we are a tad closer to the water than I'd like to be, but Daisy has assured me, as a dear friend of mine, that we are far enough from where the water reaches high tide. Right, Daisy?
Oh, yeah. Tent's done. Easy cheesy.
Well done, Squeaks.
Oh, thanks, Nature Cat. Anyway, let's look for seashells.
Tally-ho!